see something.
Happy birthday, Althea! 18 ka na, pwede ka nang makulong.
Happy birthday, ate! Gusto ko lang sabihin na nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat sa pagmamahal at support na ginagawa mo para sa akin.
Happy birthday, Thea!
We're picking up steam, just like a freight train, swimming upstream. The pressure's insane. There's a new day dawning. I feel the changes coming.
Si Thea, mabait na bata yan, masunurin. Yun nga lang, minsan, medyo pasaway.
Ain't nothing gonna take us down. We're unstoppable now. Fade to black, take a bow. We're unstoppable now. Unstoppable now.
Si Thea, yung anak ko na yan, minsan matigas ang ulo, pero deep inside naman, alam ko napakabait na bata ng anak ko.
Ain't nothing gonna take us down. We're unstoppable now. Fade to black, take a bow. We're unstoppable now.
Pinaka-bonding moment namin, magkaroon ng ML. Minsan nagko-code, ganyan. Ngayon, pagka natalo, talagang nagdadabog niya kung ano na sinasabi. Pero, yun lang, lagi na kami masaya pagka may bonding kami ng ML, ganun lang.
I'm craving your devotion, give you the key and that's rare, 'cause I don't let just anyone in.
Saya ang puso ko ngayong gabi dahil nasupad ko yung pangarap na hindi ko natupad nung ako yung 18 years old.
Please just take your time. Love me right there, yeah. Love me right there, yeah. It's paradise once you're side. Love me right there.
Sige na, natawagin pa akin ngayon kasi maganda ka. Welcome to adult life.
Don't be scared, baby. I wanna see you go. Don't be scared, baby. I'm gonna make it worth your while. Come and kiss my pulse, seduce my mind. Hope you got stamina for life, baby. Go. I wanna feel you go deeper, deeper, and breaking down my walls.
Ako anak, naniniwala ako na someday makakatapos ka. Siguro pag nangyari yon, ako na yung pinakamasayang tao sa buong mundo. Pag nasabi mo na, Ma, I did it, nakatapos ako. Ako yung unang-unang papalakpak para sa'yo. Make Mama proud. Naniniwala ako na someday matutupad mo kung ano man yung pangarap mo.
Love me right there, yeah. It's paradise once you're inside. Love me right there, yeah. I want you to go.
18 only counts once. Huwag kang magmadali. Enjoyin mo lang ang buhay. Hindi dapat madaliin lahat. Always focus on your goals. Balang araw kahit huwag na ako, basta makita lang kitang natapos mo at natupad mo yung pangarap mo. Isa ako sa tao unang-unang papalakpak para sa'yo.
Hope you got stamina for life, baby. Go.
birthday wish ko para kay Thea. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, marating mo yung mga pangarap na gusto mong marating. Ang kayamanan natin ay yung makapagtapos ka na hindi kailanman nakukuha ng kahit na sino. Happy birthday, anak. We love you. Happy legality.